SafeMoon releases some new updates in regards to the SafeMoon blockchain, as well as BlockBusters Tech, which is one of the SafeMoon swap partners, is on an absolute tear on the price charts. Guys, let's go ahead and start off with BlockBusters Tech here. We can clearly see a huge green candle taking place on the daily chart. And this green line that you see, that little threshold up above, that is actually because if we scroll back in time here, we can see it back on November 10th, that this was a point in which we had started off and the price had proceeded to decline over that time period. We have now surpassed that. In fact, with where we are right now, it just keeps going up. Now we are looking at it being up approximately 5.42% since that previous all-time high. Now I should really stress this to you guys. When I say all-time high, this is being identified as when there was the swap update. So as far as for all-time high, that's a different story. My understanding is that that was right around the 0.0032 level that was being mentioned over on Twitter in a response to me. So it still has quite a bit of room to be able to grow here. And as we can see, literally as I'm making this video, another buy order came in of $1,529.12. So big question is, why is this moving now? That's a great question. There is a new mechanism that BlockBusters Tech has rolled out, and it seems to be activating whenever there is a sell order. Not every single time, but they have this design system that's now being included in, where periodically what you're going to be seeing happen is, for example, if there's a $25 sell, when this system triggers, which again, BlockBusters Tech developed this, then there's going to be a buy order that comes in for the equivalent amount. That essentially stabilizes the price, and it means it's more likely to continue going up. This is not the case in every instance, as you guys can see on the price on the order books right here. Let me go ahead and hide my camera again. We can see that there was a sell order for $49.04, and there is not a buy order immediately after that. So this is something that just newly rolled out. It's definitely something that's going to help over time, and I think a lot more people are becoming bullish on BlockBusters Tech and their delivery. So there's the update for BBTF. Now let's go ahead and talk about the update with SafeMoon. SafeMoon has posted on their official Twitter account, "Happy Wednesday, SafeMoon family. We're trying something new. Mini activity update logs from our teams here at SafeMoon. Today we have some log updates from the SafeMoon blockchain team. Let us know if you'd like to see more of these types of updates." Now, me personally, I would love to see more of these updates. I love to see updates. So tell us what you guys think. Do you think this is a good idea? Be sure to let us know down in the comments below. We'll also go over what some of the other people are having to say, but let's focus on the main highlights here. Activity highlight. Develop and implement Merkle tree. We're going to go into details on what a Merkle tree is in a minute. Create peer-to-peer server. Save tree to level database. Create full node trees from database. Development of orbital shield integration points to redacted blockchain. And then it says, stay tuned for more updates. These updates are a mix of past and recent activities. No timelines are stated or implied. Moving over, we have Danology, who says, some new things here I haven't heard of before. Actively Google's Merkle tree. Love when I get new opportunities to educate myself. John Croney, the CEO of SafeMoon, said, happy Wednesday, SafeMoon blockchain update below. So he's also getting in on this. Moving back over to the Danology post, scrolling down, we can see SafeMoon Spidey saying that he did a whole post on this. I had to look it up when CZ talked about it. CZ being from Binance. Danology replied saying, yeah, I just got done reading. It helps speed up hash verification dramatically by bouncing data off of the, quote, branches and leaves, if you will. We can see John Croney also posting an image here of a tree growing. Oh, and by the way, this game that they're talking about here is Zelda Ocarina of Time. I know that because I play it quite a bit, and I have another YouTube channel where I do lots of shorts on Zelda Ocarina of Time, The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. Fun facts, speedrunner guides, hidden secrets, stuff like that. Now, a Merkle tree based on Wikipedia. Yes, I am reading from Wikipedia, but you guys have the luxury of being able to listen as I go through this. In cryptography and computer science, a hash tree or Merkle tree is a tree in which every leaf or node is labeled with the cryptographic hash of a data block, and every node that is not a leaf, called a branch or internode or inode, is labeled with the cryptographic hash of the labels of its child nodes. A hash tree allows efficient and secure verification of the contents of a large data structure. A hash tree is a generalization of a hash list and a hash chain. Demonstrating that a leaf node is a part of a given binary hash tree requires computing a number of hashes proportional to the logarithm of the number of leaf nodes in the tree. Conversely, in a hash list, the number is proportional to the number of leaf nodes itself. A Merkle tree is therefore an efficient example of a cryptographic commitment scheme in which the root of the tree is seen as a commitment and leaf nodes may be revealed and provided to be part of the original commitment. The concept of a hash tree is named after Ralph Merkle, who patented it in 1979. And then we'll go over the uses here. Hash trees can be used to verify any kind of data stored, handled, and transferred in and between computers. They can help ensure that data blocks received from other peers in a peer-to-peer network are received undamaged and unaltered, and even to check that the other peers do not lie and send fake blocks. And I'll go ahead and go off script here for a second, but guys, if you're going to be releasing a blockchain, you want to make sure that there's nothing fake going on. You want those transactions to be verifiable. Hash trees are used in hash-based cryptography. Hash trees are also used in the interplanetary file system, BTRFS and ZFS file systems, to counter data degradation. DAT protocol, Apache Wave protocol, Git, and Mercurial distributed revision control systems, the Tahoe LAFS backup system, ZeroNet, the Bitcoin and Ethereum peer-to-peer networks, the Certificate Transparency Framework, the Nix Package Manager, and descendants like GNU Guix. I think that's pronounced GNU Guix. And a number of NoSQL systems such as Apache, Cassandra, Ryuk, and Dynamo suggestions have been made to use hash trees in trusted computing systems. The initial Bitcoin implementation of Merkle trees by Satoshi Nakamoto applies the compression step of the hash function to an excessive degree, which is mitigated by using fast Merkle trees. And then we have an example here of a binary hash tree. And that is it for this coverage update, guys. So I wanted to just go ahead and say thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Also thank you to my YouTube members for your support. And guys, if you want to be able to pay your real world bills, you can check out Spritz Finance. I have a referral link down below, and I have a video that you guys can check out through the description, and I actually show you. I pay for one of my own real world bills using some cryptocurrency. More specifically, in that video, I use BNB. So it saves a lot of steps, makes things super quick and easy, and you guys can check that out to find out more information. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode.